blends in the sky so much I missed part of that. Yeah. If I zoom, it won't focus at all.
It's hard to video.
Yeah, the last one I think came out pretty good.
Oh. That's the first time.
Lost orientation of
A
it?
little bit, just where it dropped pretty, nose dropped pretty good. But I know, probably pretty good though.
It's
I
fast.
have to climb a little bit though.
Yeah.
I'm at my full trim, but it's okay.
I think you're pulling enough RPM in the air because look how fast it's going.
Oh yeah, and I'm only at about half throttle. Like on my stick, I'm nowhere near full.
Yeah.
So that's nice. Oh my.
There's where I would be afraid of a stall.
She stalled there. I looped that, and that went into a roll. Okay?
That wasn't intentional.
No.
Yeah, that's not designed to do that. It's too heavy. It's small of a wingspan.
And a short body on it too.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
I won't be doing any low rolls, I'll tell you that. That just went, I didn't know what that was doing.
At the end,
The end was okay.
you're lucky the way it was left.
Ooh. Okay, I think I like to feel like gear down. That's a long enough video. The gear comes down. I want to land the same direction again too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the right way to land right now.
Oh, shit. That's not good.
I'd pull the gear up and belly land. That's what I would do. Because you know you're going to rip that right out of there if you don't. Can you kill your engine with this switch?
Yeah.
Don't do it until you're over the runway, but I'd be in a better position than that. I'd go around again.
Oh, me too. I think with that muffler's going to be hanging down like that.
I wouldn't worry too much about it. Just keep flaring as you lose speed.
I like to walk up a little bit though, behind the fence a little bit. No, it doesn't matter.
I usually stay right up here. Then you can lose speed over the runway. I wouldn't kill the engine until you're almost in front of yourself because you don't want it to come in too slow coming from out there.
Shit. Okay, no. I think I'll come the wrong way though. This is like my face.
Yes, it is. Yeah, yeah. Just take a deep breath and.
I think I'll come around again.
Yep. Do it just like you're going to land. Very same as landing, and.
I'm sure I'm going to be able to get up my kill switch though.
Where's it at?
My trainer button.
Is it? Which one is it? Front or back?
Top. Right at the top. You
That?
push down on. Oh, hang on.
There. Kill it. Kill it. Pull it up.
Oh.